This is today's before. This is my after. Today's makeup tutorial is a natural, pretty makeup look. It's a perfect everyday, no makeup, just enhances your natural features, makes you look nice and fresh and glowing and awake. It's really easy, it's not a lot of products and it's not a lot of effort either, and I just love this kind of makeup for every day. So if you want to see my natural, pretty, everyday makeup, then keep watching. Okay, we're going to start with moisturiser. This is the Primark Prep and Perfect Vitamin Enriched Moisturising Primer. Absolutely love this. This is going to give us a fresh base and just make our skin really nice and fresh and plump. We're going to give that time to soak in. We're going to start with brows first today, and I'm going to give them a brush through, and to keep them as natural as possible, all I'm going to do is just fill in any sparse areas. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette, and I'm going to do a few little strokes where I think I need to add and fill in my brow a little bit, and I'm going to brush it through to really blend. And then to keep them in place, because my brows are quite ruly, they're quite thick, so they tend to move around during the day, I'm just going to use a brow gel. This is the only one that I could actually find. This is a Too Faced Fluff and Hold Laminating Brow Wax. I've got so many brow gels, I have no idea where they all are. This is the only one that I could find, but I do really like this one anyway, so I'm just going to give them a brush through. This one is a clear one. You could use a tinted one if you wanted to, if you feel like you want them to look a little bit more full. And if I'm doing a more natural brow, I go for a brow gel rather than my soap or anything, so they stay looking nice and natural and fluffy, but still they don't move during the day. So for skin today, we're not going to be using any foundation. I'm going to use the MCO Beauty Flawless Glow. This is the Complexion Perfector with a filter-like finish. Now this is going to just freshen up my skin, make it look nice and fresh and glowy, really pretty, and it's got no sort of pigment to it, but it does, I find, really blur the skin and make it look really flawless. Something like this for a no makeup day is just perfect because it's nice and lightweight as well, but it just evens out the complexion. I really like it. It's one of my favourite products that I'm using at the moment, especially for no makeup days. Now we're going to add a little bit of coverage where we need it, so I'm going to use a concealer which is pretty much the same shade as my complexion. That way it's not too brightening, but we can cover what we need to cover. So it's mainly my under eyes really. I get a bit of redness on my chin and around my nose. It just enhances what's already there and just covers up what you want to cover up and just gives a really nice clean and natural base. It's also really comfortable as well because it's not a lot of layers, but you can still see all my skin showing through. Okay, I think that is enough for now. I've evened out my complexion. Now we need to add a little bit of warmth and colour. I'm going to use the KVD Beauty Liquid Gel Contour because this is so thin and lightweight, but it just adds that really nice wash of colour. Don't want anything too thick today because we just want the most natural that we can look. So I'm going to add this in all the places that I usually would. This blends in so effortlessly as well, and it's a beautiful product for a no makeup day. And I'm just using that same brush that I applied that liquid highlight. See how that just effortlessly presses into the skin? It's absolutely stunning. No harsh lines, I just want this to effortlessly blend. Slightest bit of excess just over the eyelids as well, just so they don't look too left out. Okay, so see how that has just added the nicest wash of colour? It's so lightweight with the most naturalist finish. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to do a little bit of blush. I'm going to use the MCO Beauty Babyface blush. This is in Peony Rose. And I will try and keep it more on the natural side today, but I do have a bit of blush blindness at the moment. Really press it into the skin as well to get that most natural, pretty finish. To finish the skin, I'm going to do the tiniest bit of brightening concealer underneath my eyes. This is the Brighten and Perfect concealer from Emco Beauty. I'm going to press this in with my finger as well to give it the most natural finish, literally the tiniest dot there, just to brighten it up slightly. I want it to kind of look like I've just put a really nice brightening sort of moisturiser on, so you can still see my skin underneath, but it just makes me look nice and fresh and awake. Okay, now it's time to set. I'm just using a pressed powder. This is the Rimmel Peach Glow in the shade 003. Just a little bit of this because I haven't really applied that much product really, just to kind of take the shine away a little bit. So mainly just under the eye. I'll do my eyelid as well just so they don't get too oily during the day. A little bit of bronzer. I've gone for the Physicians Formula because again this is quite sheer and buildable, so you can build this up to what you want, but I like more of a sheer bronzer so you can still see my skin showing through. It's got a nice like natural finish to it, this one has as well, so it's not too matte. It's one of my go-tos for a no makeup day. Blush, I'm going to use the Milani Berry Amore. This is the baked powder blush. These have got a stunning glow to it as well. Again, more of a sheer wash of colour, but again you can build it up, but it has got that really nice glow to it as well. For the eyes, all I'm going to do is curl them. Even just curling your lashes makes the biggest difference. If you don't want to wear mascara, if you do want like a no makeup at all day, doing this will just open your eyes, make them look nice and fresh and wide, make your lashes look really curly, but without having to wear a mascara. I don't wear mascara every day anyway because my eyes are actually quite sensitive, so I do find even if I just curl my lashes, it makes my eyes look so much more fresh and awake. And my final step is lip. Now, a lip stain or lip tint would be absolutely perfect for this makeup look, but I don't have one, so I'm going to use my favourite lip liner. This is the Rimmel Spice Liner, so I'm going to overline them like I usually would, but I am going to blur them out a little bit by smudging it in with my finger. I'd say this is just very slightly darker than my natural lip colour, but it does have that pinky undertone to it, which is similar to my natural lip colour. I'm going to diffuse that and just press it in with my finger. So just leave it like this. I'm going to apply the tiniest bit of lip oil on the top. This is from Clarins. This is my favourite lip oil ever. It's in the shade Chocolate. Just a really small amount. I think that might have been my quickest makeup tutorial ever, but I just love makeup looks like this, like every day. No makeup is my staple for every day. If I'm going out, I love glam, but this is just really pretty, just enhances your natural features and just makes you look really nice and fresh and glowing and awake. That is my natural and pretty, no makeup, everyday makeup, summer makeup, whatever you want to call it. That's today's makeup look. I really hope you did enjoy it. Let me know if you did down in the comments. Please give it a big thumbs up as well, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week in my next one. Bye!